So we're all pretty used to AI assistants by now, right? But what if the AI wasn't just an assistant? What if it was like a full-fledged member of your team? That's the big idea behind these new agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot, and we're going to see what that actually means.
Yeah, just think about it for a second. An AI that doesn't just sit there waiting for you to ask a question, but one that's actively working with you, kind of anticipating what you need and taking the first step, all inside the apps you're already in every single day.
And this is the really important part. These agents work securely with your data, your files, your chats. Nothing gets sent out to some external tool. All right, so let's break down exactly how this works. We're going to look at 4 of these new AI teammates, all in under 3 minutes.
Okay, first up, let's tackle a problem I think we've all seen. That messy, sprawling SharePoint site. You know the one. So this first agent we're going to meet, the knowledge agent, is basically like a digital librarian. Its whole job is to take that chaos and turn it into a super organized, self-updating knowledge base.
I mean, look how simple this is. Instead of some poor soul spending hours, maybe even days, manually tagging a mountain of files, you just call up the agent, it scans everything and instantly applies all the right metadata, product, department, you name it. And just like that, a whole project's worth of boring admin work is gone.
But, okay, organizing is just the start. This is where it gets really cool. The agent actually becomes proactive. It starts hunting for stuff like out-of-date content, flagging broken links, and, get this, it even points out what's totally missing from your knowledge base.
And here's a perfect example of what that looks like. This number, 35. What does that mean? Well, it means that last year, 35 different times, people searched the site for Java Collab and found absolutely nothing. That's a huge, invisible knowledge gap that the agent just made totally visible.
And here's the real game changer. It doesn't just tell you there's a problem, it actually suggests the solution. It says, hey, you should create a dedicated page for this, and it even gives you content ideas to fill that gap. It's turning a total dead end into a real solution.
Okay, so we've seen how an agent can be a librarian for the whole company. But what happens when you drop one right into a project team? Well, in Microsoft Teams, it basically becomes your project expert, a teammate that, seriously, never forgets a single detail. And that's really the big idea here. The agent is plugged into all your channel's conversations and files, so it acts like the collective memory, the knowledge hub for the entire project. So, let's say a team member needs a quick product comparison. Instead of digging around for it, you just @mention the agent, it pulls info from your channel chats, from the web, and boom, it instantly generates a perfect, concise summary just like this one. And just like before, it can go from being reactive to being totally autonomous. You can literally tell it, hey, compile and send out the weekly status report every Friday. That tedious Monday morning task, it's just handled. Everyone stays in sync and nobody had to lift a finger.
All right, let's talk about the big one, meetings. We all have them. The facilitator agent is designed to be your meeting coordinator, to make sure you actually stay on track, capture what needs to be done, and, make decisions.
So right when the meeting kicks off, the facilitator can pop the agenda right onto the meeting stage. It can even set timers for each topic to keep everyone focused and the discussion moving efficiently.
And then, when a big question like this comes up, which city is best for our launch, you can just ask the agent to analyze the options right then and there, based on all the data it has access to. And notice, it doesn't just give you an opinion, it gives you a data-driven analysis to help the team make a better decision. Plus, as you're all talking, it's listening, identifying action items, and it can create and assign tasks in Planner on the spot. So decisions and actions are linked up in real time. Nothing gets dropped.
Okay, so how do you take all this amazing knowledge and scale it across the entire organization? Well, if you're using a community tool like Viva Engage, an agent can act like a resident expert, answering questions and just slashing response times. Think about it. It's constantly scanning the community for unanswered questions. When it finds one, like this one about launch KPIs, it dives into all the connected SharePoint docs and other company resources to draft up a really smart, accurate response. Now, just look at the difference this makes in the workflow. Before, your subject matter experts were basically human search engines, answering the same questions over and over. Now, their job is just to review and approve the AI's draft. It frees them up for much more important work and gets answers out to everyone way faster. So, what's the common thread here? The big takeaway? It's that these virtual teammates are designed to just absorb all the busy work. They do the organizing, the summarizing, the searching, which frees up you and your team to focus on the stuff that actually needs your human brain power and creativity.
You know, as this tech keeps getting better, it's not hard to imagine a future where every single team has its own dedicated AI member. The line between human and AI collaboration? It's not just getting blurry, it's being completely redrawn, right in front of us.